Good afternoon, student. Again, I am back in the class. Today, we will discuss on the topic that is contract cleaning. What is contract? Let us read the definition. What is contract? A contract can be defined as an agreement between two parties negotiating a business deal. What is a contract? Means suppose I am purchasing a pencil and the shopkeeper is there, and if I am paying him or her the 5 rupees and he is giving pencil to me, that is a contract. That is not the written contract, but if you go for the bigger business, then there must be a contract agreement between the both the parties. That is what is called a contract. See, in hotel there is a 5 or 6 points is there. The contract service in housekeeping department. What are the contract service in housekeeping department? See, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 types of contract service are there in the housekeeping department. First is the complete cleaning programs. Means everything is given to the contractor to just go with the cleaning process of the hotel, like entire area, the lobby area, the linen area, the restaurant, the room, the bathroom, the public area, everything is given to the in a complete cleaning program under that is in a contract program. Second is the regular selected cleaning. Means the selected cleaning out of 10 items, the selected cleaning. So suppose that we will only give the linen and uniform for the cleaning purpose. That is what is the selected cleaning of the contract. Or maybe I want to give the public area in a contract. That is a agreement between the hotel and the vendors. Okay. Now third is the periodic service is there. I don't want a contract. I want in a year I want 4 time service from you. Then there is a agreement that what are the 4 time service here? Maybe after 3 year month you will come and you will do entire cleaning, the spring cleaning or the thorough cleaning of the entire hotels, room, the public area. That type of contract also there with the agencies or the companies. Third is the hiring contract. Means you are hiring the 1 or 2 employees from that company, and they are providing the employee to you for training your staff or to looking after the entire hotel premises. Third is the listening contract. That is for the contract are given for the 5 to 7 years. Means there is an agreement between the hotel and the vendors that for the 5 and 7 years we will do the contract. Okay, and after that the contract, the process are running smoothly in the hotel. Now come to the entire housekeeping operation. Means only the housekeeping operation are given on a contract basis. That is what the entire housekeeping operation. Now third is the consultancy service. Means that I want a entire setup of the laundry, housekeeping department. Means the agencies are there, the companies are there. We have to talk with them, and after talking to them, we will give some amount to them. The negotiable amount between between hotel and the vendors. Then after that, after giving the amount, he will do the setup of the entire the laundry, the housekeeping room, the rooms and everything. That is what is called a consultancy services. Now come to the pricing on contract. What are pricing? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 types of pricing are there during the time of contract. See, the basic of payment for outsourcing service may be include anyone. Means anyone. It can include what are the payment mode to the supplier, to the contractor. Okay. First is the management fee for consultancy services. Already I have discussed in this point. They will charge only a management fee. The fee, and they will do the setup of the entire that is laundry, the rooms, the control decks, and that is what is called the management fees. Second is the unit rate agreement. Means they will just do the agreement that in the unit wise, that if I will set a laundry, I will charge this amount. If I will set a room, I will charge this amount. Means they divide their amount pricing in a part by part payment. The third is the fixed periodic cost. Means suppose already I have discussed out there the periodic service is there. Periodic service is there, therefore the periodic cost is there. Means if I will give 4 service in a year, then what are the fees, what are the charges I will charge from the hotel, from the organization. The third is the cost for the job plus a percentage of profit. Suppose I will charge for my job, and I will I will just give every furniture, fixtures, the equipment to the hotel, and we will just share the percentage of the revenue which is earned. The profit will be shared between the hotel and the supplier and the or the contractual. Okay. The third point is the cost for the job plus the fixed fees. The means suppose I will take 10 days to set up the entire housekeeping department. I will charge for that, and the fixed fees is there. After that, the labor, the manpower will be charged on the daily basis. Then after that, after on giving the payment to the manpower, then I will charge suppose 1 lakh rupees or 5 lakh rupees for just doing the work done properly. Now let us know the advantages of the contract cleaning and the disadvantages of the contract cleaning. So first of all, we'll go with the advantages of the contract cleaning. What are the advantages? There is no capital outlay for the equipment. Means outlay for the means there is no capital. There is no capital investment for the equipment. Secondly, no equipment laying idly. Means suppose you purchase 5 or 10 equipment in your laundry. Suppose 1 or 2 equipment are not required for cleaning purpose. That is the equipment are useless. They are lying idly. Therefore, in this way, that is the advantage of the contract cleaning. Third is the extra work may be carried out at certain time. Means extra work can be carried out at certain time, which will without staff inclusion. Means extra work. Suppose if you want an urgent cleaning of the things or urgent things, then you can have go without increasing the manpower. You can go with the extra cleaning work. Okay. Now accurate budgeting can be done. Means see, if you have the contract between the supplier or maybe the vendor and the hotel, the accurate budget is there. Yes, I will require 10 lakh rupees per month for my this contractual job. Okay. Now third is the contractors are accountable for the result. Means if the result of the contractual are not in a proper way or not coming 100%, then the contractual are liable for that result. Means they are responsible for the result what they are giving to us. Thank you. Again, we will go with the next topic, that is what is the disadvantages of the contractual service.